Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is more than just a car, it's a bespoke masterpiece, a rolling testament to the unparalleled craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail that define the Rolls-Royce brand. Its price tag, rumored to be a staggering $28 million, might evoke gasps, but for the discerning few who can afford such extravagance, the Boat Tail offers an unmatched experience in automotive luxury. Imagine stepping into a yacht club on wheels. The Boat Tail's interior is a symphony of opulence, where the finest materials and meticulous craftsmanship intertwine to create an ambience of unparalleled sophistication. Imagine rich, hand-stitched leather that feels like a second skin, accented by gleaming chrome details and swathes of exotic wood veneers that whisper stories of faraway lands. The rear deck, a marvel of engineering ingenuity, unfolds with the grace of a butterfly's wings, revealing a hosting suite fit for royalty. A built-in refrigerator chills your favorite vintage champagne to precisely the perfect temperature, while a parasol provides shade from the sun, ensuring every moment is an indulgence. But the Boat Tail is not just about aesthetics. Beneath its sleek, Boat Tail-inspired silhouette lies a powerful 6.75-liter V12 engine that purrs with refined authority. While not designed for neck-snapping acceleration, the Boat Tail delivers a smooth, effortless ride that belies its immense power. Every aspect of the car, from the meticulously balanced suspension to the whisper-quiet cabin, is designed to cosset its occupants in a cocoon of tranquility and refinement. Owning a Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is not just about acquiring a car, it's about acquiring a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, a testament to your discerning taste and your appreciation for the finer things in life. Bugatti Cento DC. The Bugatti Cento DC, Italian for 110, isn't just a car, it's a love letter to the iconic EB110, a limited production masterpiece from the 1990s. With a price tag hovering around $9 million, this modern marvel resides in the stratosphere of hypercars, a testament to Bugatti's dedication to pushing the boundaries of design and performance. Inside the Cento DC's cockpit, luxury reigns supreme. The finest Italian leathers hug the driver and passenger in sumptuous comfort, accented by exposed carbon fiber that whispers of the car's raw power. The minimalist design focuses on the driver, with essential controls arranged within easy reach, like jewels on a crown. Every stitch, every seam, speaks of the meticulous craftsmanship that defines a Bugatti. Beneath the sleek, aerodynamically sculpted exterior lies a beast of an engine. An 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, the same one that propels the Chiron, unleashes a Bugatti-typical 1,578 horsepower. This translates to pulse-pounding acceleration, with the Cento DC rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.4 seconds and reaching a top speed electronically limited to 236 miles per hour. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Unveiled in 2017, the Rolls-Royce Sweptail wasn't just a car, it was a bespoke automotive poem, a one-of-a-kind masterpiece crafted to the desires of a single discerning owner. Its price tag, estimated at a staggering $13 million, solidified its place as one of the most expensive cars ever built, but its true value transcended mere monetary figures. The Sweptail's exterior was a symphony of graceful curves and elegant lines. Inspired by the grand yachts of the 1930s, its silhouette flowed seamlessly from the elongated hood to the tapered rear, culminating in a breathtaking panoramic glass roof that stretched the entire length of the car. The paint, a unique blend named Zeven Rose, shimmered with an otherworldly iridescence, further underlining the car's exclusivity. Stepping inside was akin to entering a luxurious private club. The finest materials adorned every inch, swathes of Canadel Elm veneer, hand-stitched cashew leather as soft as butter, and bespoke touches that reflected the owner's personality. A humidor for their favorite cigars, a built-in luggage compartment specifically designed for their attacher copyright cases, and a starlight headliner that mimicked their favorite constellation. The Sweptail wasn't just a car, it was a sanctuary, a tailored haven for its discerning owner. Under the hood, the Sweptail housed a 6.75-liter V12 engine, a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to effortless power. While its performance figures paled in comparison to some hypercars, they were secondary to the Sweptail's true purpose, to deliver an unparalleled experience of refined luxury and bespoke comfort. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire wasn't just a car, it was an automotive bombshell. Its price tag, a staggering $18.9 million, shattered all records for a new car, instantly catapulting it into the realm of automotive myths. But the La Voiture Noire isn't merely about extravagant cost, it's a meticulously crafted homage to Bugatti's rich heritage, a one-of-a-kind expression of automotive artistry. The La Voiture Noire's exterior is a symphony of flowing lines and sculpted curves. Its jet-black carbon fiber body, devoid of the traditional Bugatti badge and grille, exudes an air of stealthy elegance. The long, uninterrupted expanse of the body is a testament to the painstaking craftsmanship that went into its creation. Every detail, from the artfully integrated taillights to the seamless windshield merging with the roof, speaks volumes about the car's exclusivity and refined beauty. Step inside the La Voiture Noire's cabin, and you're transported into a world of opulent minimalism. The finest hand-stitched leather, in a deep shade of brown, envelops every surface. Polished aluminium accents and meticulously crafted wood inlays add a touch of warmth and sophistication. The absence of a traditional instrument cluster further emphasizes the car's avant-garde design, with information displayed on a single, high-resolution screen. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is more than just an expensive car, it's an automotive symphony conducted under the open sky. With a price tag that could buy a private island, it's a masterpiece reserved for the most discerning collectors, a rolling testament to Italian craftsmanship and audacious design. Climb into the cockpit and you're met with a driver-centric haven. Carbon fiber and exposed titanium weave a technical tapestry, their raw beauty contrasting with the luxurious embrace of hand-stitched leather and bespoke touches tailored to the owner's desires. The absence of a roof heightens the connection to the elements, transforming every drive into an exhilarating, open-air adventure. Beneath the sculpted skin lies a beating heart unlike any other. A naturally aspirated 789 horsepower V12 engine throbs with life, its every snarl and gurgle a siren song for driving enthusiasts. This mechanical masterpiece propels the Barchetta from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a heart-stopping 3.4 seconds, before hurtling towards a top speed that kisses the edge of sanity. Every inch of the car, from its wind-cheating curves to its advanced suspension, is honed for precision and performance, ensuring an experience that blurs the lines between man and machine. Owning a Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is not just about acquiring a status symbol, it's about embracing the purest essence of driving. It's a celebration of speed, of craftsmanship, of the unadulterated joy of connecting with the open road. It's a car that transcends mere transportation, becoming an extension of the owner's soul, a rolling artwork that leaves a lasting impression on every fortunate enough to witness its untamed spirit.